We're out here in a corner of the garden I need to work on really soon. I've got some tomatoes still growing here. We're in the beginning of October. But I want to show you a volunteer plant I have here, which has gotten really tall and it's really interesting. I wasn't quite sure what it was, but if you look here, there aren't any flowers on it right now. It had some beautiful blue flowers. I can just show you a photo of the flowers. So those pretty flowers are really short-lived, and then they're followed by these sort of Chinese lantern-like little seed pods, which look like physalises. I'll show you what the physalises I have that are edible. But unlike the edible physalises, these ones are not edible. They're still in the nightshade family, just like tomatoes and physalises and other plants we've got going. But they're really beautiful. I mean, it's such a funny one to just suddenly have pop up. I wasn't quite sure what it was, but it turns out it's called Nicaranda Physalades. I'm probably butchering that word, sorry. Also known as apple-of-Peru, Peruvian Bluebell because of the beautiful blue flowers it has, and also known as Shoo-fly, which is quite a descriptive word because it's said to repel aphids and flies. So we could pick these little seed pod, Chinese lantern things later on, and when they dry out they're really pretty, and then that might help repel aphids in the house. That would be so good. Really useful when I've got all my sort of outside plants inside this winter. So never bad to have something that repels aphids. But I think it's a really pretty plant to have, and the reason that it suddenly can pop up randomly, they say, is because the seeds are often found in commercial bird food. So it could be that people who are feeding their birds, the birds come in and sow the seeds for us. So really funny. It's a really tall plant and really interesting, and the flowers are really pretty in the short time they're there.